Facebook is still the most popular social media platform in the UK. A staggering 77% of the UK uses it actively. If your pub has a broad customer base, then Facebook is the best social media platform to enable you to reach the widest audience. It's also still the best way for a pub to build an online community, connect with customers, and most importantly, drive foot traffic by posting engaging content. Photos work so well on Facebook because they showcase the atmosphere of your pub, your food and drink offerings, or special events that you're hosting. Especially vertical photos or portrait style photos, because they take up so much space in that busy Facebook newsfeed. Short, engaging videos are excellent for showing behind the scenes moments or promoting upcoming events. They also work well at a simple tour of your venue. It's great to include people in your videos where possible, especially if you have someone who's willing to be the host of your video, like in this great example, and also great use of the lapel mics, which give added quality to the sound in this pub.
Guys, welcome to the Kingsmead. Today we're going to be trying the Autumn Winter 2024 destination menu, so let's go. What was your favourite starter?
A tomato and bean soup.
What was your favourite main from tonight?
What do you think? The shepherd's pie.
Yeah,
Yes.
What was your favourite dessert?
Probably the hazelnut creme brulee.
What's your favourite thing on the new menu?
Probably the lamb pasta.
I really enjoyed the shepherd's pie.
What was your favourite dish from tonight? Yeah? Yeah?
The chicken and chips strips.
Stories allow you to share quick, temporary updates and give followers a snapshot of what's happening in your pub in real time, and they disappear after 24 hours. So you can use them to showcase dishes, or perhaps just for behind the scenes shots, in the moment events, and comments about what's going on right now in your pub. And Facebook events work well for promoting local events, sports screenings, or live music nights to attract customers. These events are shown to people who have relevant interests or live in the local area. I'm sure most of you already have a Facebook page set up, but just in case you don't, here's how you do it. Log into Facebook using your personal profile and head to Pages. Or you can head to facebook.com/pages. Click on the Create a New Page button. Here you'll be prompted to fill out some details, such as your page name. This is how it's going to appear on Facebook. You can fill out a category, either choosing pub, bar, or restaurant. And you can add a bio. This is a short description of your pub, including some keywords. Once you've added your profile picture and a cover photo, you're ready to start posting. A professional Facebook page is crucial for making a great first impression. There are a few essential elements you need to have in place: a profile picture, a cover photo, and an about section. It's also important that potential customers can see what you offer by making your food menu and your upcoming events easy to find. Does your Facebook page look professional? Well, first of all, you want a recognisable image such as your pub's logo or an attractive shot of your pub in your profile picture area. The big cover image along the top should represent the atmosphere or unique selling points of your pub, such as a busy night at the bar or your cozy interiors, or like in this example, your cocktail menu. And your About section, which is called your intro, just slightly to the left of the page. This should be filled with essential details like your location, opening hours, and a brief history of your pub. You could highlight any key features such as dog-friendly spaces, live music nights, or garden areas. And finally, you have a call to action button on your profile, which is the large blue button that shows at the top of your profile. You can choose from about 12 different options here, including Learn More, Book Now, or Contact Us. So to make any of these changes, you want to click on Edit Page, and here you'll be able to change any of the visual images like the cover image or the profile picture. You can also update your bio in this section as well, including customized links as well as your address. So it's relatively straightforward to do. You obviously need to have an image that will work in that shape, although there are cropping options, and just make sure that that image doesn't go blurry or look unprofessional. Once you're happy with those changes, that will save automatically. Don't forget to include your pub's location on maps. This is really important so that people can easily navigate to your pub and open it up in their map app. Also, make sure that that location is accurate. That's available in the Edit Page section. You can even drop a pin on a map. And finally, make sure that your opening hours are accurate. You can always change those if there are any service changes happening, like Christmas, for example, but do make sure that they are kept up to date because they will show when your location is open and when it's closed on Facebook.